Welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to be doing the biggest slime smoothie ever. So please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Also guys, the hashtag notification squad will be in next week's video, so let's get into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing one of my biggest slime smoothies I've ever done, So here's all the slimes I'm going to be doing the smoothie with. So right here we have a clay slime. Has some blue in it too. Right here we have a really cool snow slime. Then we have this really pretty, I'm calling it like galaxy slime. I feel like it's pretty cool. Then right here we just have a cereal milk slime. We have a cloud yellow dough slime. We have a really pretty cake batter slime. Right here we have, I don't really know what to call this, so it's a yellow slime. Then back here we have a green slime with these packing peanuts in it. Right here we have this blue foam bead slime. Back here we have, oh I love this slime so much, it has pom-poms in it. So crunchy. Right here we have another green slime. This pink foam bead slime. This whitish pinkish foam bead slime mixture. We have this slime, it reminds me of like a watermelon for some reason. We have this slime and it has such big foam beads in it. And last but not least, we have this really cool clay slime. So now I'm going to get adding it into the smoothie. Okay guys, so now we're going to get into the mixing of the slime. So I feel like I should hold the camera for it. Sorry if it's a little wobbly, I just want you guys to be able to see the entire slime being mixed. So let's get into it. This feels so weird because like there's so many different type of textures. Like this one's like a really like snowy type of slime. This one's like just a white base slime. Oh my gosh, this is so... We found the Christmas little pom-pom ball slime. Oh my gosh, look at these slimes back here. The cake batter slime right there. Oh, I see a little bit of the cereal milk slime right over here. Ooh, the color just changed, sorry. It's like really hard to mix. This is awesome. Guys, here's one of my biggest slime smoothies I've ever made. We're going to get mixing this slime into there, so let's get doing it. Okay, so we're going to get adding in the other slime into here. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. And, oh my gosh, this is so weird. Look at all these textures. Ooh, I'm going to grab some foam beads to add into here to make it even more foam-like. Okay, I just grabbed random ones, so I'm going to add this really pretty pink one, maybe over here. Okay, now I'm going to add in the orange one. So many foam beads. And last but not least, I'll just add in the blue one. So a lot of foam beads. So let's get mixing it in. That feels awesome. If you guys ever make a slime smoothie, I do recommend to add in a lot of foam beads. Just gonna get it on this side. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you guys think I should sell this slime smoothie, I don't really think any of you guys would actually want to buy it. Maybe if I changed up the color to make it prettier. And yeah, oh look, we found one of the big pom-pom balls. That's awesome. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and bye!